NTSA nigi responsibility maduong because iluongo ni National Transport and Safety Authority. Okapar ka responsibility mar NTSA and chiwo numbers in terms of those that have lost their lives. A responsibility maduong in making sure we have the safety on our roads. To that safety, and lazima ni waket measures moromo kabisa. Okata dire skuku kende. All the way from January to December, give you the budget from national government. And budget, you need to make sure ni jowa bedo trained properly for them to be on the road. To one won kaka joma uchumne weche mag riembo pikipiki. Wase bedo kwa uru proposal to the ministry uchumne transport to NTSA ni they make sure ni training mar all drivers. Where kata kijo pikipiki ende. All drivers mariembo matatu, drivers mariembo kwa sana. Kwanza jo makelo sani accident okada jo matatu.
Geche mag jiki.
Geche mag personal private kwanza jo mariembo Uber mina no yin. Geche ngene ngamarichuo bedo created in a way ni onyalo multitask. Ngamarichuo okunya riembo gari at the same time on use him mondo miya direction ni this is the direction you go before they realize they are on a ditch. Or before they realize you are a good driver. But before you realize Ntenga muse hit you from behind. Koro boda, jo matatu, any other driver, one proposal marwana konia, every single driver in this country, be subjected to training by National Safety, National Youth Service. You be trained in National Youth Service. Every driving school, kila ngarobe training in National Youth Service. Training majoka chiwo is standard training.
Major National Youth Service chiwo.
Exactly. Any driving school in this country, I don't want to mention a name. Lakini driving school yote mwanti